To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everyone? And today we're talking about icons. Yes, I don't have a new shirt on me. That's because I am filming 3 or 4 videos in the same day, and I will be releasing them like not simultaneously. I'll be releasing them throughout different days, but basically we're gonna be talking about icons, and this video is again gonna be for people who are getting into trading and investing and want to get into an insight on how to trade with icons. Why is it so profitable? Why am I so excited about it? I'm gonna explain you in this video. So icons are retired footballers brought back in the game. So basically, who's not playing anymore in real life got an icon. EA selected a few players, they select them every year and they put them in the game. Now the great thing about these cards is that they can link up to everyone. They get links to everyone, and this is why they are that much more in demand. And many of these cards are potentially the best cards in game up until February, March, until the team of the season starts coming out. That's the time when they start losing in value. That we also need to note that there are SBCs, icon SBCs that were coming out in FIFA 18, and I do expect them to come out in FIFA 19 as well. Every month there were like 2 or 3 icon players coming in SBC, their prime icons. So their highest version, there's like 3 versions of the icons. There's the baby one, the middle one, and there's the prime icon version with the highest rating. So let's say you have a first baby Hullet who has the lowest stats, then you have a middle Hullet, and then you have a prime Hullet who has the best stats. The prime isn't released until the SBC is out. So it could be maybe in February that they release the Hullet prime SBC out, and then they just, you can also pack him in the game. So up until that moment, until the prime is in an SBC, you can't pack that specific prime card, but you can pack his previous versions. Now, in saying that, those SBCs affect the market a lot. We'll also be talking about that because when the prime icon drops on the market, their middle one drops a lot in value. Now, last year I made mad profit on freaking Roberto Carlos. I remember him falling from 700,000 coins to like 600,000 or something. I bought 2 or 3 of those and I sold them for 800,000 coins the next day because his prime was so high. And as I have been explaining to you guys in the previous video with the team of the week, when there is a newer, better version of that new card on the market, of that same card on the market, the previous version gets just down in value. This is opposite to the gold cards. Maybe I didn't mention it in my team of the week video, but if the gold cards get into the team of the week, they rise in value. So basically this holds up to the previous video as well. If you subscribed from the previous video, thank you so much. You got some more knowledge right now, and this is why I need to view all of my videos that are coming up on my YouTube. So basically the low point of these cards was around after the weekend league and after the first month. So in the first month, when you start trading and investing, a lot of people are investing their coins in it, and a lot of people think, at least this year, they thought that the best thing to do is invest in icons, which wasn't the case. I'm gonna explain it in the next video, which is the best investment you can make when the game starts, at the very start in the first weeks. But basically they invested a lot into icons, and then they kind of needed some time to really take that notch. And basically it wasn't like an investing thing when they just kept going up like crazy. It was more of a trading thing. When you bought on Sunday, when the weekend league was over, people were offloading. You could buy them either on bid or bin. You can buy them for mad prices if you just monitor the market and you just learn how specific icons go for what price. You could buy them then and sell them Thursday after the rewards, when people got their coins from the rewards of the weekend league, and Fridays when the weekend league started. That's when they went back up, and that's when you have had a lot and a pretty good chance of making really good profit. And I know a lot of people who just traded with icons throughout the whole year. They were in the top hundreds. So basically icons is one of the most profitable methods that you can do, but you need to get there first. You need to have a few million coins to start doing these icon trades that you can then build up from then. Now basically guys, if you will follow the patterns this year, I really suggest you don't jump in right now into investing. I'll explain in the next video which are the best investments for the start of FIFA, but just stay there, monitor them, look at their prices, because it might not be the case that on Sundays they're gonna be the lowest as they were this year. So basically there might be other patterns because of new game modes, of other game modes. So it's just, we need to observe them. Subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna release the videos when I find these patterns. I'm gonna of course tell to every one of my subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video, boys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the description below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you next time. Cheers.